Welcome to another Fast Tips video brought to you by excellearningzone.com. I am your instructor, Richard Rost. In today's video, we're going to talk about lottery numbers, specifically how to use Microsoft Excel to make it easy to find your winning numbers for the lottery, Mega Millions, Powerball, whatever it is you play. Now, I'm not promising to give you the winning numbers for the lottery. I wish, right? But if you're like me, tonight's Mega Millions jackpot is like 500 and some million. So I went out and bought some tickets. I don't want to have to sit there and read through each one of them to try and see if I have any winners, right? So it'd be nice if I could load all those into Excel and very quickly have Microsoft Excel with conditional formatting show me which tickets have multiple winning numbers on them. So let me walk you through that. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is take a picture of each one of your tickets. All right, use your cell phone, use your digital camera, whatever. Use your scanner. I don't care. However, you got to get that image into your computer. Okay. Then we're going to go online and we're going to find any number of free online image to text converters using OCR, optical character recognition. Here's one I found with a 2-second Google for JPEG to text. This is onlineocr.net. I don't know these people. I'm not endorsing them. I've used their site and it works great. Feel free to use whichever site you want. So that site's going to take your ticket image and it's going to spit out the numbers. Now, there might be some gibberish in there. For example, you'll see there's a little like MB here for the Mega Ball. Okay, you got to clean it up a little bit manually. It only takes a few seconds. I'm going to walk you through it and show you how. But you want to get a nice clean list of your numbers like that. We're going to paste that into Excel. And then with a little text to columns magic, we'll make it look like this, right? Then we'll throw on some conditional formatting. We'll type in what our winning numbers are. And now you can easily, clearly see like this ticket here has 3 winners on it, right? Okay, so let me walk you through how we did this. So taking the picture is easy. Just lay your tickets out, right? Use your cell phone, scan a shot of it. Okay, I bought a bunch of tickets, so I took a picture of each one. And yes, those are my winning numbers there. Those are going to win tonight. Okay, I guarantee it. And, and if they really do win tonight, you probably won't see another video posted for at least a couple of weeks. Just letting you know, okay? But once you got that picture in your phone, either copy it to your computer, email it to yourself, whatever you have to do. Now that you got the picture on your screen, use your screen clipping tool, whatever you use to take screenshots with. It could be Windows Snip and Sketch. I personally use HyperSnap. There's a bunch of them available. If you don't know how to take a screen capture, go watch this video. It's my Snip and Sketch video. It shows you how to pick a rectangle out on your screen and capture that to the clipboard, and then you can save that as a file. I'll put a link to this down below the video in the links section. You can go click on that to watch this video. All right, so I use my HyperSnap, so I'm going to turn that on, and I can pick a rectangle. I'm going to try and get all these numbers from here over to like there. Yeah, you're going to catch that little MB in there. There's really no way of getting around that. Just do that, click. Now, I've got mine so it auto-saves as a file called snap.jpg in a particular folder. So save it, make it a file, whatever you got to do. All right, there's my snap.jpg that I just saved. You can see little previews over there, right? Just got the numbers in it. Open it up. Let's take a look. There it is. Okay. Now we're going to send this to that OCR website that'll take an image and use optical character recognition and convert that over to text. So here's the site that I picked. It's onlineocr.net. And oh, look, they run ads on here. That's how they get paid. Right, there's an ad for WinHost. That's my web hosting provider. It just so happens I'm seeing an ad for them. I highly recommend them. Okay, so we're going to select the file. I'm going to pick my snap.jpg and then hit convert. And then scroll down just a bit. You'll see a window will pop up down here with your text in it. And where are you? There you are, right there. Okay, there's your text. All right, just copy that to the clipboard. Control-C. And then I'm going to open up Notepad. All right, they come in here. And then paste in your text. Now, it looks like a bunch of gibberish, but actually all you really have to do is get rid of what the OCR thought that MB was for the Mega Ball. Just delete that. It looks like there's a lot of work, but it's really not. Get rid of that. Press Enter. Come over here. This one I guessed MR, right? Enter. And, of course, double-check your numbers. I wouldn't want anybody to miss winning the lottery because they scanned in their numbers wrong. All right, so double-check them. Now, that seemed like a lot of work, but it was really pretty simple, right? Okay, so we're going to copy this now, copy that, come over to Excel and paste that in. Now, if Excel doesn't automatically paste that in the columns for you, you can use the text to columns feature. And if you don't know how to use text to columns, I got a whole video on that too. I'll put a link to that down below as well. Here, I'll show you an example. Sometimes if you paste it in, it comes in like that, right? Each one of these is inside that individual cell, right? That's all in A1, A2, and so on. So just select that column, right? Go to Data, Text to Columns. We're going to use delimited because we have a delimiting space character. So hit Next. We'll pick the space, and you can see how it's spread out down here, right? Next, General's fine, and then hit Finish. And now each one of those is in its own column. It's text to columns. Again, go watch my text to columns video if you want to learn more about that. There's also a feature, and I'm going to do a separate video on this in a future lesson. There's also a feature in the Microsoft Excel mobile app, at least for Android, where you can take a picture and it will scan the picture right into a spreadsheet for you. Okay, I got a whole separate video coming up on that, but this is the easiest way to get text in here using a PC. And of course, if you don't mind typing, just type this in yourself if you want to, right? All right, so I'm going to insert a row up here, and we're going to put our numbers across here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the mega ball. Okay, and I'm going to center all of these guys here. Center. Okay. And let's make this header, I don't know, let's make it green. So let's go here and pick like a light green. All right. Now over here, we need our winning numbers. Okay, winning numbers. And again, I'll just copy this, copy and paste. And you know what, let's keep these evens. Let's slide this down just a bit, like that. And we'll put here the numbers played. How's that sound? And we'll left align that. Okay, so we got the numbers played. Our winning numbers are over here. Let's just pick some random ones too. 16, 32, 57, 64, and 15 for our mega ball. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to say, okay, if any of these appear any of these spots, then I want this to, let's say, shine red. Okay, we'll use conditional formatting for that. Again, I got a whole video on conditional formatting. Go watch this if you want to learn more about conditional formatting. So what I'm going to do now, this is the easy way to do it. There are more complex ways to do it, but this is the simple way. All right, we're just going to add a different conditional formatting rule for each one of these 5 spots and then one for the mega ball. All right, so we're going to go conditional formatting. We're going to go highlight cells rules, equal to, and then pick that cell right there. Because you're going to change this in the future, right? Now notice those 2's lit up. See that? Hit OK. Okay, now do the same thing for the next number, right? Conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, equal to 16. OK. See? Conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, equal to that one. All right. Conditional formatting, highlight cells, equal to 4th. And then conditional formatting, highlight cells, equal to that one there. Okay, see? So even if one of these numbers over here, like that's 64, and that one's a 2, I know that's not the way they usually come in, but just make sure these still work. Okay, they usually come in like, in order. Okay. And now we do it one more time for the mega ball, which is separate, right? Conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, equal to that, and then press OK. All right. And now when you put your winning numbers in, you can put all your different numbers in here, and you'll very quickly and easily see which ones are winners. And then you can take that money and buy my full course and a membership, right? But you can see how copying and pasting these numbers in here, you can just quickly scan down this, and you can very easily see, okay, this one looks like it might be worth something, right? This one's only 2. What's the thing? I copied the payouts here from another website. There it is. There's the payout. So 2 numbers. Let's see, do anything with just 2 numbers? No, 2 in the mega ball you got to have, or 1 in the mega ball. Something in the mega ball always wins. But I guess 3 is the minimum you can have to win something without the mega ball. Okay, or the mega ply, or whatever they call it. Now, you could, if you wanted to, program this stuff in, because these are all set prices here. That's always $1 million, 10,500, and so on. The jackpot is announced separately every week. You could put the jackpot in a field up here and then calculate it, and then you could add up all of your winnings down here at the bottom. And if you guys want to see me do that in a future video, let me know, and I'll make a video about it. So there you go. There's your fast tip for today. It's what, Friday, July 22nd, 2022, and go out and win some money and let me know if this helped you at all. Okay. We'll see you next time. Have a good weekend, everyone. So that's it. Want to learn more Excel? Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Stop by my website to watch my free Excel Level 1 course. It's over 90 minutes long and it covers all the basics. And if you want me to post more Excel videos, I need to hear from you. About 90% of what I do is Microsoft Access, but I'm also a published Excel author and I love Excel. So if you want to see me post more free Excel videos, post a comment below and let me know. Say, hey, I want more Excel.